The bag secured. The lifeguard actually ended up telling people they had to get off of the beach. Good morning vlog. Day 3 here in Kill Devil Hills. Everyone slept in nice and late to a whopping 8 o'clock. The girls have had breakfast. So now we're gonna go get ready and head to the beach. Nana with the bag secured.
No.
Let's go to the beach. What day is it? What? Day 3. All set up. 9:30 in the morning. No one's here. Kids are playing. Beach to ourselves. Well vlog, we finished at the beach. Their storm came in, we saw it coming, we started cleaning up quickly. The lifeguard actually ended up telling people they had to get off of the beach, so we made it to the car quickly and we went to McDonald's and everyone got Happy Meals. And now we're gonna eat them and we're gonna enjoy the rest of day 3.
I threw french fry at you.
I thought something came flying. Where did it go?
Hit the wall next
Say,
to
what's
you.
up vlog?
What's up, vlog? Here's a french fry.
Please be good cards. Please be good cards.
Show me your coloring skills. Alright vlog, we've spent a couple hours at the house just hanging out. Actually about 4 hours now hanging out at the house. Mare got a little pricky briar in her foot, but we colored, did crosswords, played card games, took a nap, played on our tablet. We've done pretty much everything you could do. Yeah, and we got Mare's picky off. We are headed to dinner. It's right across the street. It's called 3 Tequilas. We decided on Mexican tonight. All the girls in Atlas, they got dressed to the nines. Everyone looks so cute, but we're gonna go eat some Mexican food. After dinner, we went to Target and we went to TJ Maxx. I forgot to record it, of course, but we had a lot of fun shopping. At Target, I got a couple bins for my classroom. an Alani for tomorrow, cream cheese for breakfast, a couple apples for the girls, and a couple really cute shirts for them. Here, I'll show you. So cute, such a cute little print. But they both got it. Addie got an 8 and Mary got a 4 or 5. Even though she's not quite a 4 or 5 yet, she wanted to match her sister, so we got that for her. And then we went to TJ Maxx and we got a bunch of clothes. Got a little romper, some perfume, flower shirt, flower pants, little dress, athletic dress thing, butterfly outfit, little mermaid, and some flutter shorts. Not too bad. But all the kids got cutie cups. We got the SpongeBob ones. And there'll be a video of them opening them.
Oh my God, SpongeBob!
You got SpongeBob in the band! But now we're gonna put pajamas on and hang out and get ready for bed so we can go to the beach in the morning for our final day at the beach. Ooh, girl! You look good. Let me see the eyes.
That's right. It's wild.
Woohoo!
Oh, I'll take that.
Hey, vlog.
Good night, vlog.